arrived.
Honestly, I don't mind too much because I'll sleep on the flight, but at the same time, yeah, it's gonna be kind of rough to wake up and like get going.
Okay. Check the address. They have W's in United States.
There's a club that's open till 5 called Opium over here. We can check that out if you want. But like basically all the clubs are grouped together at the end. They're like a 10-minute walk.
On the beach, guys, in Barcelona. Smells like delicious. I had some of the best mussels a second ago that I've ever had in my life. You can tell they were fresh. And that farm bullshit we got back in the States. Beautiful city, man. I love Spain. Spain's been nice to me.
Yo, that was targeting.
Hola.
Fa paura perché devi lasciare un lavoro, non sei sicura
There's the casino. You want American?
Hey, they probably have exchange in there.
They might.
Guarantee you they do.
They might.
Yeah.